Having trouble logging into Windows 11 even though you are sure your password is correct, don't worry. I will show you how to fix this step by step in 2025. Let's get started. At the login screen, hold down the Shift key and click the power icon, then select Restart. This will take you to the Windows recovery environment. Once in recovery mode, choose Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, and finally Startup Settings. Click Restart, and when the option appears, press F5 to put into safe mode with networking. Once Windows loads in safe mode, you will see a black background with save mode labels. Now try logging in again. If you can log in successfully here, it means your password is correct and the problem happens during normal startup. Now restart your PC normally from save mode and enter your password at the login screen. This should fix the login issue. This method has helped many Windows 11 users, so give it a try. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips in 2025. See you next time.